Hi, this is Merrick at NVT Phybridge, and I'm here to ask and answer one simple question.
How do I update the 1G switch lineup?
Here's a list of things I'll be doing in this video, as it is slightly long. 1. We'll be checking if we even need to update. 2. We'll be requesting firmware and or creating a support ticket online. 3. We will download and extract the files, as well as download and install XLite, a free FTP service. 4. We'll be changing our IP address to be in the 192.168.1.1 network address for the management port. We'll be connecting into the switch and making sure FTP traffic is not blocked. The safest solution would be to allow FTP traffic through your firewall. Save the current configuration with palconf save. Issue commands to install the newest firmware, and then we will reboot the switch with a command and verify that the version is the correct version. So we will start off by going into the GUI of the switch, then go to the admin tab, terminal tab, then do al-version. Press enter. And here we'll identify if we need to update our switch or not. Now, number 2. Request the correct firmware or create a support ticket online for the firmware. Remember to include the correct type of switch you have. Here we'll be going on to nvtphybridge.com, and we will be navigating to the IP products. Here we'll go into the products page. And in this example, we'll be scrolling down only a little because the Flex is the device we're looking to update. Then down here, we will choose Firmware Upgrade tab, and we will request a firmware upgrade request. Here I'm putting in a little dummy data, but try to use your own correct data. And then press Submit. Next, we will download and extract all the files that we need, and then we will download and install XLite. For our example, we will be skipping the installation of XLite. This is the PDF. It has 2 links attached to it, one for the files of the firmware and one for XLite itself. In our example, we're just going to download the firmwares and then extract them into the same folder that we downloaded them into. Next, we'll be going into the PDF once more, and we will be going to XLite FTP's server, and we will download the correct version with our operating system. And we'll be skipping the installation since I already have it installed. Then we're going to change our IP address on our laptop to be in the 192.168.1.1 network, as well as changing this to the FTP server. For our example, we will do 192.168.1.3. Then we will open up the control panel, go into our Network and Sharing Center, choose the Change Adapter settings, go to our Ethernet adapter, then edit the IPv4 properties, and change the IP address to 192.168.1.3. Press OK. And now we will be configuring Xlite. So here we will choose 192.168.1.3. Then we will click on it and create a new user for this FTP server. Press add, and we'll be using admin as the username and password for the user. Press OK and exit out. Double left click on the server here. To bring up the public path section, and we will point this path to where the firmware files are located. Once you navigate and find the folder where the firmware files are located in, press OK. Then press OK again. Once that's done, press OK one more time, and then we'll be going back into the user list and double left clicking on the user to bring up the path and add. And we will be navigating to the exact same folder path. Once done, just press OK. And OK one more time. Now press OK one more time and exit everything. Now we can start the server, and it being yellow is a good sign. Now we will directly connect into the terminal of the switch. We'll be using a serial console cable and a program called PuTTY. For this example, our speed is 115.200. Our default username is admin and default password is admin. So we will select serial. COM6 is where mine's located, and the speed is 115.200. For my example, I'm also changing the font size to 18 so that it's easier for me to see. And we will open a connection. And here I'm already logged in, but all you have to do is press enter and then admin or default username and password. Our first command will be palconf save to save the switch in its current configuration. Then we'll do pal package ? And this will show us a list of all the commands that we're able to run that deal with updating the switch. And here, for our example, we will do pal-package configure ftp ://admin at 192.168.1.3. If all is good, we can do a pal package show_remote, which gives us the up-to-date bin files located in the shared folder. Then we'll do a pal-package install_all to start the installation of the files. Once done, the password will have been reset, and you will have to change your password again if you do want to. At this point, I'm going to relog in now using admin and use the command pal-set-sys-reboot to reboot the switch. and then we'll be typing in one final command just to re-verify that we have updated to the newest version. And we'll be typing in pal-version, and we can see that the newest version is updated. Thank you for watching the NVT Phybridge firmware upgrade instructional video. All documentation, including firmware update guides and the administrative guides for our managed switches, can be found on our website at nvtphybridge.com. Have a wonderful day.